Are you recording?
Yes. I look like a homeless guy.
You are a homeless guy.
Today, we're doing the Do Not Sneeze Challenge video.
Yes, we are.
This is gonna be a horrible intro. We're gonna have to try again.
Yeah.
Back in the office. When I could breathe.
Hey,
Alright, Maria, let them know what's going on.
okay, so today we're doing the don't sneeze challenge.
Don't sneeze.
I kinda
Sneeze. Sneeze.
Sniz.
Swear to God, it's spelled correctly.
Good.
It definitely still says sneeze,
Yes.
no matter how you spell it.
Nani?
Fun fact.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, yeah.
Who's that barking outside?
What the heck is going on?
I can't.
Minus all the outside festivities outside of the office, let's continue. So, today we're doing the Do Not Sneeze Challenge, and we're gonna have a fun variety of things to try to make each other sneeze. So what do we got? We got tweezers.
We have tweezers,
We're gonna use some dust.
fake leaves,
Fake
makeup powder, and stuff to stick up the nose, and perfume.
We should use a pen. Well, after
How would
shove a
perfume-
We should use your
pencil
freaking-
Perfume make you sneeze?
up my nose.
Yeah.
Shove-
When you like spray too much of it. It can
Yeah,
make
we'll
you
shove pens up Cam's nose to try to make him sneeze. So, let's get started. So, first item is the makeup.
sneeze. Oh wow, that's a lot.
You wanna sniff it?
No, we're gonna take.
The brush. Are we?
Okay, dip it in the powder.
You're actually exhaling the powder. He's not sneezing. I think she got me right in the nostrils. Hey, no, you can't do it to yourself. Are you kidding me? I think the powder is a fail.
That'll do it.
Next item is the fake leaf.
Grass.
No, what do you? No, I'm using this end.
Do it close
This
to
end's
the
definitely
camera.
gonna do it. If she doesn't
Do it
sneeze.
close.
But I was really wondering.
Why? Is it working?
No, it's not even getting in my nose.
Look, you gotta go like this.
Yeah.
That thing's gone. How far did you push that up? What do you got, an itch? Like on the backside of your brain?
Look, it's gonna sneeze. Look, it's gonna work. It's gonna work. It's gonna work. Look at the
Look
light.
at the light.
Look at the light. Look at the light.
Yes! Oh.
Oh my god.
Ew.
Is it working?
Obviously not. You're not sneezing. What is that one eye doing? Please.
There's snot on it.
Ew.
I think it's gonna make me sneeze though. Okay. I think I passed.
Okay. Cameron lost round number 2.
That was round 1. Oh yeah, that was 2.
Yeah. You're crying.
Jeez.
Next one is fragrance. Next is fragrance.
Fragrance.
Okay. So I'm gonna spray it on you guys, and then when you guys are gonna spray it on one of us, and then
That just means we're gonna smell like women and oh, my eyes! Holy crap. Okay.
Taste it.
No, it smells like an old woman. Why are you still spraying? Stop!
Get her! Get her! Get her! Get her!
Are you gonna sneeze yet?
Hey, Bob.
Now we all smell like an old woman. And did you take this from my mother's house?
Yeah.
What explains that? What's the next one? Tweezers.
Oh God.
That's gonna hurt.
Alright. We all won round 3. Perfume.
I want to.
Did not work.
I almost died.
Special guest has arrived with the tweezers. Tweezers. Round 4?
I think so.
This is round 4?
3.
No, this is 4.
Alright. God, everything smells like perfume now.
Stick it up.
Okay.
Oh, look, it's the other one. Look, it's the other one. So you make the. Oh, how many nose hairs?
Do you even have those?
Oh God, I felt something in there.
I don't think you count. I don't think you have nose hair.
I
Let me see what you got. Oh, you got nose hair. Give me those things.
I just pulled one out. Nothing happened.
No, you don't pull it. You tag it. You tag it. Oh God,
Nasal.
they're so tiny.
I know.
Oh, come on.
Let's get a close up of this.
Are you winning?
My eyes are watering. Wait, I am
All right,
winning.
here.
That's a good thing.
Where are the hairs?
Ow, ow. You're supposed to. What? Dude, you tore like 9 hairs out. And some like flesh. There was a little something else on it. Or was that a booger?
Probably bigger.
We get tug on them. Tug on the ones right on the tip. Right there. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Those ones. Oh. It's good. Oh.
That's not working. Yeah.
So I lost. We're gonna make an outro. So I lost the
won.
tweezer rounds. Maria won. Cameron, you lost first, so I'm second. Haha! I also didn't lodge something 3/4 up my face to my brain.
I don't
Maybe
know
that
why
would've
I
made me
just
sneeze.
can't sneeze. Like I just sneeze on my own.
Your face is defective. I've sneezed at least 19 times today.
I'm very lightheaded though, probably because of the fragrance. But
I almost died.
I did die.
Well, anyways. Alright, anyways, thank you for enjoying today's episode. Hope you guys make a sneeze challenge video of your own. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. I have more challenge videos coming up, fishing related, so stay tuned to enjoy those ones as well.
And don't forget, I'm going to be making a YouTube channel. And this video, but in my own editing, will be on my channel. So make sure to go watch that and like and subscribe to my channel.
Yes, I will link that below when the time comes. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thanks. Thank you.